Hi guys, I'm Rio. I'm a beauty writer for The Strategist, and today I'm going to be telling you about one of my favorite universal makeup products, meaning you can use it on your eyelids, your cheeks, and your lips to create a really nice cohesive look. My favorite one for doing that is this beach stick from Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Formentera. So I first discovered this product when I was trying to make my makeup bag be a little bit less heavy. The thing I love the most about the formula of this is it's actually really nice and waxy, so it glides across the skin really easily. And I'm going to show you how I apply it onto my skin on days where I'm using only this product to give myself an eyeshadow, a blush, and a lipstick tint. Before I put this product on, I put on this NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the shade Light 6. This is one of my favorite foundations because it's really hydrating, and I think these two products work so nicely together if you want to just get that really nice, natural, glowy skin. So first I'm going to show you guys how I use it as a cheek tint. So I just rub my fingers. Like I said, it's really waxy, which makes it really nice to blend. And then you smile. And you just dab it. I like to bring it a little bit up. I'm gonna do that again on the other one. And I much prefer using my fingers for this. I just feel like it makes the blush warm up really fast. So that's how I apply the blush. It's this really nice berry shade, which I feel like is pretty flattering on everyone if you're a little unsure of what kind of blush suits you best. So now I'm going to show you how I put it on my eyelids. It's really no rhyme or reason to my eyelids. Again, you could use a brush for this, but the thing I like the most about this product for my whole makeup look is that it's really nice to just use your fingers when you're trying to get things done quickly. Doing this on your eyelids will give you just a little bit more definition around your eye area, and I find it actually makes you look a bit more awake. And so for the last thing, I'm going to put it on like a lipstick. So sometimes if I want to be a little bit more dramatic, I'll put it on straight onto my lips, but right now, I think I'm going to start off by just patting it. When you have only like 5-10 minutes, you're running out the door, but you want to give your skin a little bit more life and a little bit more definition, this is the perfect thing to use. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more of my writing, all my articles are on The Strategist, so be sure to check that out too.